Assalamu alaikum sisters, my name is Sameena and I live in Birmingham. I'm a full-time mom to a 4-year-old son and I am also a full-time student. I came across Hijama Nation's seminar leaflet and I signed up straight away because it was something that I was interested in, because a month before I had had my first ever hijama treatment, and for personal reasons it was a very intense and eye-opening experience. However, it didn't put me off and I did want to learn more about what is hijama. So when I came across the seminar information, I was really pleased. So I signed up and I attended the seminar. It was a really well organized and well presented seminar. It gave lots of information on the origins of hijama, the history behind it, how it was revealed and how it helped. I highly recommend attending one of Hijama Nation's seminars, not just because you're looking into a career in hijama, but also to learn about what is hijama. And I really think it will benefit sisters around the world, especially in the UK, because I come across so many people who still don't know a lot about hijama. Some people haven't even heard about it. Some people don't even realize that it is actually a Sunnah treatment, that it was revealed to the Prophet. I want to be a part of something that will help me to remain close to my deen, to help me to increase my iman, and also enable me to be able to help other people. The more I'm learning about hijama, the more love I have for it, and the more I want to be a part of this forgotten Sunnah.